Hello people, we're back with another video. Hi, I'm Silas, by the way, if you didn't know. Today we are going to make ahi tuna. The ingredients are very simple. You just need fresh, super fresh ahi tuna, salt, pepper, whatever these things are. These things, I don't know what they're called. And olive oil, butter, and a pan. But first things first, before we get to any of this stuff, we must heat up the pan. Okay, so the next step is to marinate this tuna fish with salt and pepper. So you get a little bit of salt. Okay, now just massage the salt into the fish. Okay, now we do the same thing but with the pepper. Now time for the fun part. Okay, so now we're going to add in the butter and olive oil. This in. Now we're going to add a little bit of olive oil. Just pour it around like that. Okay, now we're going to put the fish in. Just do each side for about a minute. Now that's done. Just put that there. And this one there. Woo! My first time cooking with a pan and actually using heat. A lot of heat. Let's put this right here. The next step is to slice it. At the end, you can put it in on rice or in a salad. I'm just gonna use this fork thingy and slice it. By the way, this is not how you cook hamburgers. Oh, there it is, ahi tuna. The middle has to be raw. That's why you want fresh, good tuna. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you want. If you liked the dish you just made, please leave a comment in the comment section below. It's down there. Say if you liked it or not, and bye-bye.